morning, General.
Good morning, Council.
Welcome to the TRRC.
Thank you.
It seems this whole week is dedicated to the generals. You are called today to testify about one discrete issue. That is the involvement of General Langtombong Tamba in the 2006 coup d'etat, whether he was involved or not involved, and your release from prison in 2009, we would want to know why, and your subsequent involvement in Langtombong's trial, which led to his conviction for involvement in the 2006 coup d'etat. You have sworn an oath to speak the truth. It is a criminal offense under the laws of this country to lie under oath. It is also an offense to lie or provide false information to the TRRC. So we want you to speak the truth about what you know, with the full knowledge that the evidence you're going to give concerns the reputation of another individual. It doesn't matter who the person is. Once it affects the reputation of another person, it is important that one gets it right, that one is absolutely truthful. For the audience watching these proceedings at home or listening to it in the radio, we are carrying out this exercise in order to show the culture that prevailed in the Gambia National Army, of wherein they would try to implicate one another in wrongdoing, either fraudulently or by way of revenge. And that has led to the elimination of a lot of officers on whom this country has spent a great deal of money to train. That is an absolute waste. And the Commission is going into this exercise to try to address those rights violations, but also to help end this cycle of falsely incriminating one another. This is not to say, General, that what you have to say or what you may say is false. That is not my position. I just say this in order to give an introduction to the topic so that the people would understand exactly why this hearing today. So, General, we expect that you would be very honest and truthful in your testimony, like we expect everybody else to be honest and truthful in their testimonies. Do you understand?
Yes, thank you, Council.
General, we have adopted this system of allowing for interpretation in the local languages. Which local language would you prefer that we interpret your testimony in?
Mandinka will do.
So we have the Mandinka interpretation. General, I'd encourage you to allow the interpreters to first finish the interpretation before you respond. Could we have that interpretation, please? All right. So we may start, General.
sa dabuda no general sila
What are your full names?
itoni kondongol dum
My names are Mamadou Aliouba.
Ntomu Mamadou Aliou Baleti.
Date and place of birth?
ila wulu san wulu njumalti anni wulu ramintole
September 10th, 1973 at Lamen.
Nguluta Lamen September Karotil Tang 1973.
lamen sato
Lamen Sato, follow town.
Briefly tell us about your educational and professional career. Just briefly, General.
mala sutiya kan dron ila londo nyin karango nyin ya commencé nyamen don fo ya dan nyamen afo nyembang
Okay. I attended St. Peter's Primary School,
Nga follow St. Peter's Primary Karambuto.
then to St. Peter's High School.
Ndata St. Peter's High School Karambumbato.
After my O-levels, I taught for 1 year at St. Edward Secondary School at Buyam.
During an O level ke foka pare nga karandiro ke sinya killing St. Edward's Karambu nyinto membe Buyam.
Came back then, I pursue a computer programming course at Institute Lab Formi
Nga
Informatique.
computer karango fana no masata nga o karango ke ko yo ke mentole
Institute Lab Formi Informatique Gambia Limited.
Institute Lab Informatique Gambia Limited na computer karango ke wolto.
And then during that period, I was attached to the Continent Bank of the
Tembo ye nadu ko nakindi Continent Bank la du bundale la Continent Bank la bunda membe Gambia jang.
I also worked with the Continent Bank briefly. Then from there, I joined the Armed Forces of the Gambia in May 1996.
Nga wati sutundo ko ke Continent Bank bari bitung mekaro kono 1996 nata dung sojaria do ko to.
I went through the basic military training.
Na sojaria dundang karango ke.
After passing out, I was posted to the Gambia Armed Forces Finance Department as an accounts clerk.
Biringan na karango bang yen samba Gambia sojar bundala nafulu bundala nketa kontola do kulati je ka fome accounts clerk.
But that was as a private soldier.
Rutumo na makamu mang rank sort follow ka fome private soldier mbe woltonu.
Then in April 1997,
April karo kono 1997
I went for the CSB. That's the Officer Cadet Selection Board.
Ntata CSB la menketa eka officer lu tombon damento pour que dundi officer ya karangu nyinto.
And I passed the exams.
Na londi konti bo ke nga gagné.
And I was promoted to Officer Cadet.
Tumolem yen na palaso la fa yenke officer cadet.
Then I think in 1998,
Manyina 1998 sango kono.
I was sent on a course to Turkey.
Ina tan ki pour ngata karangu la Turkey.
I came back in June 2000.
Seytan an June karo kono 2000 sango kono.
Then I was posted to Fajara Barracks
Tembole yen samba Fajara Barracks sojar kordato.
as a platoon commander.
Yenke platoon commander tiji.
And the same time as the IT officer of the Gambia Armed Forces.
Baro tomo fanam makama do fanam bembulu yenke IT officer ti wolem information technology sa in jamano londi silo Gambia la sojar bundala.
I used to train all those soldiers and officers of the Gambia Armed Forces who were identified for overseas missions.
Tumo ntelefananka o sojarolu jama karandi men yalon ko ye nyala tombong pour kata do ko la Gambia banko e bantala.
Training in what?
Kata karam la Gambia
IT.
banko. Eke karam ke karandi IT lela.
And then in I think in 2004 I was sent on a peacekeeping mission to Ethiopia.
2004 sango kono yenki kaira sabatindo la Ethiopia banko kan.
I came back in February of 2005
Nata February karo kono 2005 sango kono.
and I was posted back to finance
Ya murundi kodo na fulu bunda doku karola.
as the SO1 finance.
Wala SO1 finance.
What is SO1?
Muna mu SO1 ti.
So one, staff officer 1.
Staff
Yes.
Officer 1.
That was where I was until March 2006
Bewol to for March karo kono 2006.
when I had this problem.
Otumole mnganyim kole ako soto.
Got arrested, and taken to mile 2.
Ye muta yen samba mile 2.
Eventually, taken to court,
Inatan samba kitola
convicted,
yen sorong
and sentenced to 25 years in jail.
yen sorong nyina kan konsi sanjumwani luluke kasola.
And what were the charges against you?
Mulam tumri kangol ti yemen den ikangoda.
Concealment of treason.
Konga jamfa jawole mabo.
And what was the evidence against you?
Mulam musede ya ringol ti yemen soto ikang.
Counsel, there was no evidence against me.
Council sede kuman soto ntekama.
General, you were taken to the NIA for investigations before the panel.
Yes, samba NIA lanu panel o nyati no pour kela ko kisikisi.
Yes, Counsel.
Council.
When you went there, did you give a statement?
Bring itara jeto NIA la panel o nyino fo ila kuma kan odi safero to lebang.
Yes, Counsel.
Council.
And what did you say to the NIA?
Ite ye munefo NIA liye jeto.
What I told him that, I have no idea about the coup.
Biringa nyum foyenko man londi wo londi soto nyin kudeta la koto.
That it was on that fateful 21st of March,
Aktata ke March karo tilimuang aning kilingo lungoti.
almost closing time.
Wayatara loku lala ji wato sita.
Former CDS Ndur Cham
Tumo member CDS yala Ndur Cham.
invited me to his office
Ayum command purkatala office auto.
and told me about his intention of wanting to overthrow the regime of Yaya Jammeh.
Ayum fonyan ko nyimala hamoleti purka Yaya Jammeh la mansakunda boindi.
And that he will want me to take part.
Adung alafita ntenga ndabula je.
I told him, I cannot do that, and I'm not interested.
Nyina fay ko ntete o kenola adung mang lafi akola fang.
Then he said to me, okay, I'm going for a exotic council meeting.
Ayum fonya ko mbita kanton intankala council bengola.
But you can go and see my MA, Bunja Dabo.
Risita yenna emeje ikafume bunjadabo.
So that was how I left his office.
Otumole mbotala office auto.
I went to Bunja's office.
Ntata bunjala office auto.
Then whilst there, Bunja called Jah, Captain Abdul Karim Jah then.
Birimbe bunjala office auto no Captain Abdul Karim Jah kumandi.
Jah came.
Janata.
And when he came,
Granata.
Bunja informed us about the same coup.
Bunja fana yin kudeta kilingole kibaro fontolie.
And we told that we are not interested. Both me and Jah told him that we are not interested.
Ntanin jabe nyina fayen ko malafi nyin kola dal ndatije.
So we left.
Bitum ntel botaje.
Whilst I was going out,
Birimbe findikang.
I met the orderly to Langtombon Tamba, Mudu Jata.
Birimbe findikang Lantombon Tambala Odli Mudu Jata na benta jeli.
Modu what?
Mudu Jata.
Mudu Jata.
At the time, what position did Langtombong hold?
O wato la Langtombong mumma kamale babudu.
He was the deputy CDS.
Utumo atele simbe CDS kang.
So I asked him, where is your boss? He said he's in.
Nanyininka ila nyatonko le ako ube konoto.
Then I went in.
Ndunta.
I told him that CDS just informed me that he want to overthrow the government of Yaya Jammeh today. Are you aware?
Nanyim fayanko. Bitung CDS yenye fanyanko alafta Yaya Jammeh la mansakunda boindi la bifango. Foi buta kala male bang.
He looked at me, in the eyes and told me, look, shut your mouth.
Njube nyakono akonye ajube bang ida sorong.
That was how, I left his office.
mbotala office o kono tenne
You and Lang Tombong, who was senior in rank, I know the answer is obvious, but I have a reason for asking.
itani lantombo makamo la karola jumala makamo be jumaka ngalo ne jabiro nyimbe kala ate
jabirobe kala menti
Abe kala menti,
bari
bari-
dalila le ya sabu nga nyinin karoke
When, at that time or now?
At that time,
At that time, it was
Kembo.
him.
atelo
what was his rank? At
He
that
was, I think he was a colonel,
amirate mu colonel letinu ngotum
and I was a lieutenant.
ando ntemu lieutenant wol tinu ngotum
time? The gap was very wide.
Exactly,
ti altemo fanu rabakel
exactly.
ah
You had, what lieutenant were you? First lieutenant or second
No,
lieutenant?
a lieutenant,
Full lieutenant.
there is no full lieutenant. There is a second lieutenant, a lieutenant.
Yes. That's what I
lieutenant
mean.
and second lieutenant wolle be kerin no
So you had captain,
ina ya
Major,
captain soro
Major.
mejo
lieutenant colonel,
Lieutenant colonel.
lieutenant colonel
between, so basically 4 ranks.
Exactly.
unta makama nan wala baltema
Exactly.
ah
You have sworn an oath
ye kalole ta sedo
to speak the truth.
pour ibe tonya pour ye tonya fo
And you know that what you are saying
yala ne ko ibe men fo kan
has significant reputational implications.
yala ne kumala me yalon ko kumala me yalon ko asimu mo wala dum
Also,
so nya drong
I fear nobody
man sila mola
except Allah.
ala kola
Whatsoever evidence I'm giving here,
mbe CDR CDR kala jambi
people are watching me,
molu ben jube kanne
all white,
dunia mu mew be kono
and people know
andu moli ya long
who Eme buys.
malom eme bati
I don't play with truth.
mbuka minin tonya kam
I tell you the truth, no matter who you are.
nka tonya la fayete mu memen dinti
What did you understand? Let me take it a step backwards. You have made a commitment to speak the truth.
ye la hido dile ko ibe tonya le fola
You have taken an oath to speak the truth.
andu ye kalole ta ko ibe tonya le fanam fola
Tell us,
afanye
did you go to Langtombong Tamba and tell him what you have just said?
fo itata lantom bon tamba yala bang ya faye yemen fo jan sainte
To his office, not Aya.
ala office o kono
Council,
kansul
I'm telling you what I told Langton Montamba on that day.
mbe men fo kay ngole fo lan tombo tambaye wo lungola
And then I will further, you see, whatsoever I'm giving here,
mbe fem fo la jang
I'm going to back it up with evidences.
nga fem fo jang mbana cede ale sambala nyola
I'm not going to sit here only and tell you this and this.
manta sila jang ka kuma kala kensengo fo kalima kensengo
Do you have any evidence
ye sedi andro soro woto laba
to back what you have just said?
pour que la kuma kan nyin ka sedi yandi
Yes, I have.
abembulu
Now,
sai
I will refer you to a telephone, conversation.
sai mbe kuma fole men kata telephone kachati
If you can get those printouts,
ni si wo telephone kachalu kuma kanglu safari ngosoto
my mobile number then,
na mobile number wutumola
991
991
4959.
4959
No, Langtombong's office number
lantombon na office number
4225
4225
775.
775
Langtombong asked his orderly to call me around 1 o'clock at night.
lantombon kala odli yang kumandi talankiling wato suto
When I was already in bed.
wayatara ngallale foka pare
When the orderly called me,
birin odli yang kumandi
I received the phone.
na telefono ta
He said to me, hold on for my boss.
ko nyang illa moy na boss be diamule
I took the phone.
na telefono ta
He said, what you said is true,
ko yemen fo yara to nyala
but let's handle
No.
this.
What you said is true.
yemen fo tonya le
Thank you.
inumba.
Proceed.
Okay.
And then?
He said, but we will, we have started, arresting the, some of the, suspects.
Ay ñene laaje ko bari wayri yemen foto ñala nga damutale pour ko molu mutan sobita menula.
I said, okay, I told you.
Nga abitu wala nga fo yenne.
So your argument is that if we look at the call records
la balambaya men wala ñu ning adara nga telephone record sol jibe
of 22nd March
maj karotil mo ngani fula
2006,
2006 kono
we would be able to see
bela mba jeno la le
a call emanating from this number 4225775
be call jela le me alon ko bota ñu nombal to ay même foten
to mobile number 9914959.
kata ñi mobile number ya ay ñi même fanam foten say
Exactly.
And this call would have come at around what time in the morning?
ñi number ni call ñi anata ñi mobile number kan suto wati juma warata so manda wati juma la
It should be around 1 a.m.
Abe kala talankilin wato leti.
Okay.
And furthermore,
Just a moment. We would come to that. In the morning,
so mandala
or when you spoke to Lang Tombong, as you claim,
waranto wato men idi amu dan tombe ko yafo nyamen
and he told you to keep your mouth shut.
akoy ko da soron
That's what you said.
yola
Did he really tell you that?
ko nyato nyafo ayo fo neba
those were his exact words.
Wala mala kalimoluti ay mem.
What did you understand him to mean?
itele imune faham woto alo fo itero
For me, I thought, I thought maybe he did not take me seriously.
Ngamen mira wo tembo follow wala nyinte amang nakumo muta sobeyati.
Or, he saw me too, junior to talk to him.
Wala ayajele ko ntela palaso mu palasi duman koleti ateye pour ngadia moye.
That's my feeling then.
I did not ask for your feeling.
men ñinin kade uteketa amene muna kete lo dati waro wato la
I did not say your feeling.
men ñinin ka ila lo nyaati o wato de
My question is, what did you understand him to mean?
ngamen ñinin ka wala ñinti ko ite mune fahamu alaw kuma kan koto ñin
Keep your mouth shut.
afoy ko ida soron
What was he telling you? What did you understand him to mean?
atarta ka mune foye ite mune fahamu alaw kuma kan ñinto ye mune karanje
To me, it was like, mind your business.
Amunta akotosi kenyindiko ila hajo topoto.
That's it.
Wala.
From that answer,
kabo jabiroto
what was your view as to his position with regards to this so-called coup that was being talked about?
muna nati ne sondo mo ko ne tela jeroto ayeto muna keta tela lo dlati wo kuma kan to e mem fayo to kude tani na ko
No, frankly speaking, I never, suspected him.
Nyato nya manso biala num ferek.
And I never had any, any ill feeling, against him at that time.
Adu tumo manga ngani ya jaw soto ayam fanan.
That was how I left, took to.
The question is, when he told you to keep your mouth shut,
ñinin karo men de biring akoy ko ida soron
did you have any suspicions that he may have been involved?
way ñing hakili jak siki wisi waso soro e sondo mo ko ko asikeno ada fananda be tarlo kude tani kono le bang
No.
Hani
Exactly. So you had no such
No.
hani.
So you've now pointed out just one evidence showing that you had this conversation with Lang Tombong.
ye sede ar kilim balde ñan kay tandi ko ite ye kuma ini lantom bon diam tan ñin ko lal
And this evidence, that is the call records, that is yet to be verified.
wala ñin kumandiroti ay men keda ten hanin kabbi sainten o man tonya yandi folo
Go ahead.
teten
And further,
o kola fanan
when I arrived home
rim futata su
that evening,
wularo
I called Babukar Jatta.
Babukar Jatta fanan kumandi
Mr. Chair, perhaps maybe I'll ask that you grant an order for Gamtel to look into their records and provide the call records of telephone number 9914959 and also the call records of 4225775 for the 22nd March 2006 for Gamtel to provide it if it is possible. So we would ask that you grant such an order.
That appropriate council, let's proceed accordingly, either in writing, prepare something and an outsign, we send the order to Gamtel.
That's right. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. The order would be drafted and we would send it to you to sign.
Splendid.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Just permit me to just write the telephone numbers and send it to the office and get one of the lawyers to draft the order. Mr. Witness, just to note that these call records would only show that a call was made at a particular time. But it does not show the contents of the call. I just want to flag that. So that evening when you went home, you placed a call to who?
Colonel Babukar Jatta.
Colonel Babukar Jatta le kumandi.
Which terminal did you use to call him? Which device?
Mobile juma, number juma.
On my phone.
Your mobile phone?
Yes, exactly.
No mobile phone.
Do you recall Babukar Jatta's number at the time? It's surprising you're able to remember a 2006 number or 2006 numbers.
Yeah, that was my own line, so I remember. But I can't remember Babukar's number now.
And we would, when we receive the call records, we will check the details, the numbers you have called, and try to verify whether Babukar Jatta's number is on it.
Ninga nyin kibaru number numero soto ko nga imben kaninte ninga soto mba jubelale fo Babukar Jatta fanana number nyinga betarla jele.
And we would ask Gamtel to provide the telephone number that was registered to Babukar Jatta's name at the time, considering that he held what position?
I think he was the interior minister then, I think.
The kanindro fanankera Gamtel bulle ko Babukar Jatta ya jubenye Babukar Jatta o watola nimero juma ke muna fambenna me yalon ko ayateri yo register tela toya la je o watola andun hanin kabise do Babukar Jatta la palaso yalo ne ba o wato mum palace le babulu ba
atelum interior minister tino ngamira wotumo.
And what did you tell him?
Yo muna faye
I told him what Ndurcham told me.
Amem faye wolem Ndurcham kumakang amem fanye ngau kumakang kiling ole faye.
He said he is already aware.
Nyina fanya ko atababori nkolu kalamale.
And that he is in touch with Serigne Modou Ndiaye.
Ando ay fanya ko anin Serigne Modou Ndiaye be ñomo kanne.
And what position did Serigne Modou Ndiaye hold at the time?
Serigne Modou Ndiaye o watola mum palace le babulu.
Serigne Modou then I think he was with the state guards.
Serigne Modou ngamera wotembo abe state guards le kono.
What happened afterwards?
Munena ranake o kore ngola
Then, I was at home until the early morning of 3, 4.
mbedno ya kambe ya kata hanfo somanda juno la
So-
talan saba kata talan nani kan
So 3 to 4 hours after the call by Langtombong, you mentioned.
Exactly.
montoro wati saba fonna montoro wati nani kola kabri yem bulan tombon kol comme ya kumandi ya fo nyame
ah
Then there was a knock on our main gate.
tumolom yen korda bunda ba konkon kumandi ka fo nyangata jube jumale be korda dato
When I opened the gate,
rina korda dayele
I saw some soldiers,
nga sojaro luje
fully armed.
benin jorangolu
They said, they were there to arrest me.
iko ina tantele muta
Then I asked them under whose order.
nyinin ka jumale yo kamodi yal kamma
Okay, then allow me to get in and dress up.
ko yo tali yam fanya nga dum na feto fatol dum
Then one of them escorted me inside.
ilimbe kono wala en no man na dun ta kono to
I dressed up,
nganna fengolu dum
came out with,
ni mfindita
I mean with them.
ni tata nyola
And they drove straight to mile 2.
tumolen itata mile 2
Where I was received by prison officers.
jelom kaso kono do kulalo yem bentun yenjia
I was asked to remove my belongings on me,
ya fanyen jele ko nga fengolu bondi mbala na fengolu
like my belts, my finger rings, my watch, my shoes,
melu be kon na belto
everything.
na belto na kolnalu na bulu kangolu na samatolu an fengolu membe mbala do
And I was then escorted to shorty wing number 5
tumole yen samba security wing ela bundalu lu njangoto
and locked in a one-man cell.
ye sorong mo killing selo kono
How did you feel at this time?
ke okete fe nyaadi le o wato la
I was surprised, and worried.
akatanye tere makoleti bari ayenda fanan
Why were you surprised?
muna ya sabu ko nyi jahali
Because I don't know what has gone wrong. I don't know what I did.
malong muneketa alum malong ntafango kumwe muneke
Would you know subsequently?
Yes.
wo nyala ba nyi inata na londa ba
ha
Tell us how.
fanya nyaadi
After 3 days,
rintili sabatambita
mile 2,
mbe mile 2
I was removed from mile 2 to NIA.
ye mbondi mile 2 kan samba NIA
Then I was taken to a hall
yen samba bum kono ba kono
upstairs
bum jango santo
where I met a panel already seated.
nga tara panelo bije wala molu be sirin kono to je
In that panel,
wo molu men be o panelo to